श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परम ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. Namaskaram to all. We will be starting our E-Patasalai online classes from December 15th tentatively. We are sharing the Google form today in WhatsApp groups as well as through email. You have to fill the details and have to select the course or the courses you would like to join. For Vedas, there are 5 courses. We can say a basic course consists of Punyaham, Rudram Jamagam, Purusha Suktam, Shri Suktam, Durga Suktam, Bhagya Suktam, Aisha Suktam, and few other suktas. Then we have the classes for Udaka Shanti, Upanishads, Achidram Ashwamedam, and also for the Yajurveda Samhidai. For teaching the Vedas, there will be a dedicated Vadhyar who have done the Vedadhyayanam traditionally in a Patasalai to teach the Veda Mantras perfectly, especially in Swaras. For Veda classes, there will be only 8 students per batch because one have to do the repetition individually. So the class will be for 45 minutes. Those children who have completed the Upanayam also can join for the Veda classes. There will be separate batches for the children as well as for the elders. Then there is a Veda Prayoga class that will be on the weekend, Saturday and Sunday. That will be handled by myself. The duration will be for 1 hour. Around 20 to 25 people will be there in a batch for the Vaidika Prayoga course. After the class, we will also try to conduct the on-site classes to clarify the doubts in Prayogam. Then there are classes for the slokas, basic sloka class for children. Then there is Devi Mahatmyam classes, Bhagavatam classes, Bhagavad Gita classes, Saundar Lahari classes and all. The details are there in the form itself. You can opt the timings. Veda class will be for 3 days a week. So there will be 2 groups of the weekdays that you can opt, and also there are batches during the different timings. So you can opt the timings according to your convenience. For sloka classes, it will be for 2 days a week. That also you can opt. The details are there in the form itself. Then the Sanskrit class, that will be a video class. So every day a video will be sent to you that will help you to understand the basics of Sanskrit as well as the spoken Sanskrit. Then classes for the Stri Dharma and the story telling classes for the children. So these are the courses we are introducing at this point. There will be a registration fee of 100 rupees for all the courses, including the free classes. That is for the Sanskrit, storytelling and Sri Dharmam. There is no course fee but only the registration fee of 100 rupees. For the Veda class and Veda Prayoga class, there is 600 rupees fee every month that you have to pay in advance. For the Sloka class, it will be 500 rupees per month, that also you have to pay in advance. The reason for the fixing a fee is because there are three major expenses. One is for the administration, that is we have to sort out the applications, then we have to allot the timings and allot the faculties and so many things. So for that some human resource has to be employed, so there is a cost associated with that. That is why there is a registration cost. Then the major expenses are the technology as well as for the infrastructure. To have the online classes with best video and audio quality, we have to use the latest technology. So for that we have to invest on the softwares, we have to invest on the different apparatus used for making the class online. For streamlining the classes, we need the latest gadgets and all. So there is a cost associated with that. Then the infrastructure, we need a studio-like environment so that there won't be any disturbances in the class. We also request you to use the best laptops or mobile phones with good quality of audio and video to have the classes in the best way possible. So hence the fee is actually for these three things. Whatever the dakshina you want to pay to you want to give to the Vadhyar or the faculty, that you can do after the course as per your wish. Even the Upanishad says that once the course is over, you have to give the dakshina to the faculty or the Vadhyar as per your wish. Those who are not in a condition to afford the fee, it is like somebody wants to learn, they have a desire to learn, but they don't have the capacity to give the fee. Please contact us personally through the email ID info@vedicliving.in, so that we will give you the concession of fee. You have to only pay whatever is affordable to you. Even we will find the sponsors for you who can sponsor your full fee. So the money should not be a criteria for not joining the class. We want everyone to learn and join this E-Patasalai. Also, those who are financially sound, they can sponsor one or more students. That is also the service that you can do to the spread of Sanatana Dharma. So we request all of you to fill the form, and there is one text box in the form in which you can give your valuable suggestions, or even if you have any queries, that also you can input in the form and send to us. Wish you all the best for this course. Thank you very much. Namaskar.